Alright, so this is a tutorial on how to change the battery, or fix the battery rather, on a Manscaped lawnmower 3.0. So I've already taken it apart, obviously. So what you're going to do here is either get your fingernail or something under this, and you're going to want to, see here. Oh, crap. It's sometimes a little bit tricky, but you pretty much just want to pop that out. And then there's 2 screws behind it. Take them out. And then, so you can see I already taken it apart. I didn't want to put it back together. But right here, right by these 2 wires, right there, there's a screw there, there's a screw there, there's a screw there, and there's a screw there. So after you get the back popped off, you're gonna come in here. You can see where those, right there, where there's light coming through. Just take something, poke it right through, right where this, you'll see this piece right here for this, pop that off, and then it'll show those screws. So you pretty much take that off. So as I was trying to show you, want to take this board off before the camera died. It's 2 screws. So in total you'll be taking, I believe, 8 screws off. Just like that. Pop this board out. And so this is what your problem is. I'll show you. So right now, get in here. See, it won't charge that light. The LED light right there should be letting, see now it's like popping in and out. So you're gonna have to fix that. So you're gonna want to clean this off first. Take that piece right out of there. And you're gonna want to clean this off. Like right around those edges, everything like that. Alright, so once you're done cleaning that off, you're gonna want to plop that right back in there. Just as far as it goes. Then we're gonna want to get this right back lined up. I'm gonna press it on and see if it works now. Put that up. So I was just touching it, so say the charger goes in like that. So you might have to play with it a little bit. See, like when it's popped up like that, you're gonna have to really press that down. And I might even just put some glue on that so it stays and it's locked in, and make sure it's always charging. I have to see, but pretty much you put these screws right back in. Once I get these screws back in, I'm gonna see if it is still working. If not, we're just gonna have to adjust again. All right, so what I actually figured out is you're gonna have to play, let me take the charger out for a second here. You're gonna have to play with those, focus in, those things that connect to the charger inside there so that it will charge. You just gotta bend them a little bit, make sure they're lined up nice. That's how it's gonna charge. So now we're gonna put these screws back in, and I'll see you once we're ready to put it all back together. Alright, so we're pretty much ready here to put this whole thing back together. So you can see it's all fine. It's charging nice. So we're gonna start off with this. We'll line it up. Fit it right back in. See here. There it is. Start with these bottom screws first here. So like I said, just line it up, plop it back in. That screw in there. Told you right where those wires are. So push Push it over a bit. And you're just going to do that for all 4 of those. Alright, so once you get all those screws back in, all those screws right there, right there, right there, and right there, you're going to want to tuck that wire, because you're going to have to pop it out when you first do it, and then you're just going to have to pop it right back into its slot. And then same thing with this piece. Just pop it right back in. And then I'm going to have to figure out how, this is the first part you have to pop off. But I honestly, oh, there it goes. So get your nail under it and then flick it out. And then there's 2 screws that come right out of there. That's what I wasn't able to show at first because I wasn't able to get it off. But there it is. So here you go. All your things will come like this. So you're going to want to take that off and then just push like that. Not it'll pop right out. Like I said, just punch right, where is it? Right in there, behind that. Punch that out, that'll pop this whole thing off. And then that's where most of your screws are. But like I said, there's right under there. I'm trying to do it again, but you just got to get your nail under there. It might take a little bit. I don't know, get some good light on that. And yeah, right there. You're going to have to pop that right off. You'll be good to go. So that's how you fix it. Look, it's charging right again. So if you run into that problem, there you go. That's how you fix it.